Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to request money on Venmo. Of course, this video will not be an inside app tutorial, like not an interface tutorial, because I cannot have access to Venmo at the moment. I'm outside the US. So if you're looking for that, I truly apologize. So all we need to do, just go and download, first of all, of course, the Venmo into your phone, wherever it is. And then log into your account if you have an account. If you don't, simply go and click on create an account. And of course, once you have your account, you'll basically have to go and click on the Me button. You'll find it right there. And of course, once you click on the Me button, you'll find two options. You'll find either pay or request. And of course, from there, you'll be able to click on request. And of course, you'll be able to request money. We're just gonna go through an article that will show us how to do it. So yeah, this is the right article. As you can see, so how to send the payments or requests. Here's how to send or request on Venmo app. So you can simply click on tab/request, the bottom on your screen. Once you just open the app, you'll find it. And use the search bar to add the person that you want to charge using their name, Venmo username, phone number, or email address. Enter the amount and add a note, of course, the amount that you want to request. Then click on request if you want to request or pay if you want to send that person money. And to quickly pay or change one of the top payments partners, you can tap at their avatar at the top of the home tab. Of course, note before you send the payment to someone, phone number or email address, have the recipient confirm that the number or email is verified on their Venmo account. And this can help ensure that your payments reaches the correct account and your account does not get frozen. And as you can see, if you're using Venmo on the web, you can simply sign in into your account the same way here, and you can click on pay a request the same way here as an example, and do the things that you did before. So that's it for this video. Goodbye.